Hello and welcome back. Just a quick reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share our channel with people who you think would enjoy our content. Like today, we're doing number 178. If you look at this top row, we're missing a 1 and an 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 8. No help here, 1, 5, 8. And no help here, 1, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 5 and an 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. And we can get rid of this 8 here. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 there. So 9, 1. And we can get rid of this 1 here. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. And I don't see any help, so 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8, a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and an 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. That 8 comes down here and makes this our 2 and 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 9. That means the only place our 7 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. Got a 9 here, so 3, 6, and no help here, so 3, 6, 9. But now, oh, all right, we'll just continue on. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. No help here, 1, 3, 6. We got a 1 and 3 here. So this is our 6. That makes this our 3 and our 1. That 3 makes this our 9, 6, 9, 3. So to finish out this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. That 8 makes this our 5, 1, 8. So for this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 1. And 9 here, so this is our 3 and our 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.